Good morning, everyone. Tej Kumar, sit
Good
at
morning,
one place. Stable your camera. I want everyone. My camera should turn on. Dania and Jigar Singh, please turn on your camera. Dania, why you keep your camera off again and again, many times? Don't do this, huh? Right?
ma'am. I was going to fill my bottle.
Okay. So, very good morning to all of you. Open page number 69. We, as you all know, that we are going to start a new chapter number 7, jugs and mugs. Before starting the chapter, can anyone want to tell me something about this chapter? What are we going to learn in this chapter? Raise your virtual hand. Kevian, turn on your camera. I can see Moksh and Manya. Only two children have raised their hand. What about the others? They don't know what are we going to learn in this chapter. Granth. Yes, Granth. What are we going to learn in this chapter?
About Ma'am, I forgot it.
Okay, Moksh, what are we going to learn in this chapter?
Ma'am, we are going to learn about water, its measurements, liter, milliliter, how to measure
Only,
water.
only measure water.
Ma'am, I can say.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Manya.
division also division.
Ma'am, we all the liquid forms we are going to learn, and milliliter and liter, the short form of milliliter, liter,
Very good.
like that.
Good, excellent. We are going to learn about the liter, milliliter, the measurement of capacity in this chapter. Okay, the measuring of the liquids things. Liquid things we measure in kilogram or gram. Students, no.
No, ma'am.
No,
Liquid things. If we want to buy petrol,
liter and milliliter.
if we want to buy a petrol, will come in kilogram, gram,
No,
No, ma'am.
meter,
in
centimeter.
yes,
No, ma'am.
no only liter and
Ma'am,
milliliter.
in
Yes,
milliliter and liter it will come.
it will come in liter and milliliter.
Milliliter.
What is the standard unit of measuring the capacity?
Liter.
Who know the answer? Only Manya. What is the standard unit? Yes, Vihan Dobariya.
Not the. I want to. You said na that milliliter, liter it is measured. I am saying that.
Liquid measure. What is the standard unit of measuring the liquids or the capacity? Manya, yes, please tell me.
Ma'am, liter.
Liter. Very good. So now open page number 69. I'm going to present my screen. Bunny and Banu celebrate the wedding anniversary. अब wedding anniversary है तो कुछ तो special बनेगा ही, right? Do you remember the wedding in Bunny's family last year? Children, it is showing that you have learned about this jugs and mugs in the grade 3 also. So
Yes,
anybody remember?
I
Any
do.
anybody remember
Yes.
about the, can please explain me what was there? Yes. Tej Kumar, no. Who wants to explain me about the last year's topic? Grade 3 topic? Yes, Vihan.
But by mistake.
Vihan, it is happening by mistake every day.
I was turning off my microphone. It was on.
Yes, Manya. No.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
I will move forward. Bunny and Banu decided to have a party 1 year after their wedding. Now they have a party. They invited their family and friends. They made a special sweet dish, kheer. अब जो खीर होती है, खीर, everyone knows what is खीर.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute, students. Yes. Kheer, who will explain me what is kheer? Please raise your virtual hand. Yes, Vedant.
Ma'am, kheer is a sweet dish made
Hmm.
of vermicelli, milk, and
Hmm.
then we mix it and make it.
Okay. Yes, Manya. Do you know any other type of kheer? He told about the vermicelli kheer. Do you know any other type of kheer? Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, the kheer is made by milk, rice,
Yes.
and
Milk
curd,
rice. Yes.
sugar.
Sugar. Okay. So, Niva will tell us, Niva, the form of a
And
milk.
ma'am, also,
Uh, yes.
and ma'am,
Yes.
one more thing we put, may I?
Niva, you tell me, listen
Yes.
my question carefully. You tell me the form of a key is in which form?
I didn't understand.
आप different forms पढ़ते हो ना science में, solid, liquid and gas. EVS you learn the different forms. So
Yes, ma'am.
what is the form of a key? Only Manya knows the answer. What about the others? Dania, can you try?
Can I say?
Yes, ma'am. What?
What in which form you find the liquid? You find the sorry, kheer.
Ma'am, it is liquid.
Yes, it's in liquid form. Okay. Now raise lower down your hands, and you all know the kheer. There are different types of kheer: rice kheer, vermicelli kheer, sabudana kheer. Different types of kheer we make with the mix with the milk. All the animals came running, hopping, and even crawling because some animals crawl and some animals hop. So they were coming and they were very excited because they are going to celebrate the anniversary and they are going to get the kheer. Now let's see how they will get the kheer. The elephant is drinking 50 liters of kheer. As you all know that whether you know or not, okay, I will repeat that. 1 liter equals to how many milliliters, students?
Ma'am, may I say?
How?
Other students, I want new students to raise their hand. Yes, Jigar Singh.
Ma'am,
1 liter.
1,000.
1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. Okay. And the short form of lower down your hands, then raise the hands for the next question. Once we are finished with the one question, please lower down your hands and raise this for the next question. My next question is lower down your hands, Dania. My next question is what is the short form of liter? Yes, Moksh.
Ma'am, the short form of liter is L.
Granth. What is the short form of milliliter?
ml.
Lower down your hands. Now I will ask the next question. For making 1 liter, how many? So, for example, if I have a jar of 500 milliliter, okay, and I want to make a 1 liter, so how many 500 milliliters jars I will put in that to make the Vayas Jiga Singh?
Ma'am, I don't know.
How many 500 milliliters make the liter?
Ma'am, may I?
500.
Ma'am, may I, Manya?
Yes, Manya.
500.
Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, Manya or Dani? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we need 2 glasses of 500.
Excellent. Only this girl is attentive in the class. I don't know what others are doing. Okay, so now I will move to this. The elephant is drinking 50 liters of kheer. The giraffe is drinking dash liters of kheer. The cow is drinking dash liters of kheer. Then came the squirrel. She said, I cannot drink 1 liter of kheer. Please give me only 500 milliliters of kheer. So here you can write according to the guess, because elephant drink more than giraffe. So we can say that giraffe is drinking 25 approximately. Giraffe is Cow is drinking less than giraffe. So we can say approximately the capacity of the cow is drinking milk kheer is 15 liters. Okay. Then we go. Then can squirrel 500. Then donkey asks 500 milliliters of kheer. Isn't that more than a liter? Yes or no? 500 milliliter is more than a liter?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. The fox said, come on, don't behave like. Okay. The fox said, come on, don't behave like donkey. 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So 500 milliliter is half a liter. So 500 milliliter we can call half a liter also. Okay. Move to the next page. A frog hopped. A frog hopped along with 9 other friends. He said, oh, we only want 100 milliliters each. Now they are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each one is getting 100 milliliters. So when we add up all the milliliters which they are getting, the 10 students, it make how many liters?
Ma'am,
1 milliliter.
Yes, Tej Kumar.
1 liter.
1 liter.
Very good. Okay, here is your key, said the cat. While serving the key, she took 10 glasses and poured 100 milliliter kheer in each glass. So, what is the capacity of each glass?
100
100
Ma'am,
100
100
milliliter.
Yes. So, whatever the liquid that container is holding is the capacity of that container. The donkey looked confused and asked, 10 glasses of 100 milliliter each? How much is that? The fox got another chance to show off. He said, that is simple. 10 times 100 liters make the 1,000 milliliter or 1 liter. Please write it in your blanks. Now you write it 10 multiplied by 100 milliliter equals to 1000 or 1 liter. You can write 1000 milliliter or 1 liter. Go next. Look, a group of ants is marching here. The grasshopper said, the kheer is finished now. What can we do? The cat said sadly. Are we late? The ants are late now. Turn the page, students. Don't worry. They won't drink much. Each of them will take only 1 liter. That is all. I will share my key with them. The elephant said and wiped the cat's tears with his ear. How many are you altogether? Elephant asked. We are only 1,000, said the ants. The cat asked, oh no, 1,000. We have to give key to 1,000 ants? Don't worry, won't drink much. Each of them will take only 1 milliliter. 1 milliliter, if we add, so 1,000 ants will take how many liters?
Ma'am, 1 liter.
1
1
liter.
liter.
Yes. After thinking, the elephant said, no problem. I can manage. Each ant drink 1 milliliter of kheer. So 1,000 multiplied by 1 milliliter makes the 1,000 multiplied by 1 is the 1,000 only, and 1,000 milliliter make the 1 liter. Got it, everyone? Clear till here? Can I move?
Yes, ma'am.
They say they will need the same as 10 frogs, said the donkey. All the ants drank the kheer. Everyone was happy. They sang and danced to celebrate the wedding anniversary. So now we move forward. Who can have 1 liter kheer? Do you like kheer? What do you call it at home? How much kheer can you have? Can you drink 1 liter at home? I think I can. The girls are saying, and the boys, small crawling boys, saying only 400 milliliter. So, children, now this is our discussion point. Now, I will ask from you. You children like kheer to drink? You all like
No.
kheer?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
No, 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 no.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is saying
No,
no?
ma'am.
Vedant is saying no, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am, I also don't like sweet.
Okay. Some
Ma'am, it
children
is
don't like.
Yeah.
sweet and taste.
Some like and some don't like. Okay. Those who like to drink kheer, can you please tell me how much is your capacity to drink the kheer? कितनी आप
I
Ma'am, I will
according
drink 1 liter.
can.
2 bowls.
one
No,
bowl?
I know. I'm not sure how much I can drink.
Okay.
Ma'am,
I
I can drink
Ma'am, I can drink 1 liter.
500 or 1 liter.
500. Ma'am, 1 liter.
500.
500
Okay.
ml.
And if you are taking, if you are taking in a bowl only one bowl, maybe the capacity of the bowl is only 250 or 300 ml, not more than this. Okay. So now children, I want to show you something. Wait a minute. So students, just let me know, is this visible to you all? I'm going to stop my presentation.
Yes,
Vihan Dobaria, please sit.
Ma'am,
My,
it is visible.
my screen is visible to you all clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
For bottles.
Some bottles are there.
Yes, ma'am. It is written dictionary for.
Yes. So why I kept these bottles, I want to explain you about this. Okay. Are all of same size, students? Please mute your mic, Jigar Singh.
No, ma'am. Some things are 1 liter.
See, these
Yes,
Kash,
ma'am, I only say.
when I will call your name, then only answer me, bacha. Kashvi, are all bottles are of the same size? Yes or no, Kashvi?
No, ma'am.
Can can Dhyan Patel will tell me? Dhyan Patel, are all the bottles are in same size?
No, ma'am.
So what does this shows? Why they are not in same size?
Ma'am, I can say,
Yes, Tej Kumar.
ma'am, because they have different capacity.
Very good. They have their different capacity. Out of these bottles which are kept here, can you tell me which bottle is having more capacity?
Ma'am, may I say?
Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Dania. Can you try and tell me which can or which bottle is having more capacity?
Ma'am, the oil bottle.
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why you can see? Why you can prove it? How you can prove it that this can is having more capacity?
Because with the shape and the we can see and tell of because of the shape and it
The size.
the size is another type and looks bigger.
Yes. So in all these bottles, what comes? We bring which type of things in this? We bring vegetables in this. We bring liquids in this. What we bring in these types of bottles?
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am,
Yes, Granth. Yes, Granth. Vishrut, you also please give some answers. Raise your virtual hand when I ask the question.
Ma'am, what did you tell?
Vishrut, I will ask from Vishrut now. Vishrut, what will come in these type of bottles?
Ma'am, oil, water, milk.
So these things are in which form? Oil, water, liquid, milk. These are in
Liquid form.
liquid form. So always remember the liquid things, either petrol, oil, shampoo, medicines. These all things come in these containers,
Ma'am,
right?
that we cannot count.
Yeah.
That things that we cannot count.
Yeah, the things which is come in the form of a liquid. Now this is the bottle is in my hand. It is written 300 milliliters. So what is 300 milliliter means? Who will tell me? Raise your
Can
virtual
I
hand.
say?
Yes, Neva.
It means that we can hold 300 milliliter anything we are putting in it. We
Yes.
can hold.
So the capacity of this bottle is 300
We can
milliliters.
put milk, buttermilk, water
Yes, anything, whatever we put, but it will come only up to the capacity of
of 300
300.
milliliter.
If I want to put a 500 milliliter of buttermilk in this or a water in this, it will come.
No, ma'am.
It will overflow.
It will overflow. Only the capacity of this bottle is 300. Now, the capacity of this ink bottle is 100 milliliter. If I want to fill this bottle with this ink, how many bottles of ink I need to put it in this?
Ma'am,
Three. Ma'am, three.
Three
Very good.
bottles.
Very good. Excellent. Now, the capacity of this is 500 milliliter. So, how many these bottles I will put in this? This 300. This 500. So, how many bottles of 300 milliliter I can put in this?
Ma'am, three and
Ma'am, one full bottle. One, two means 200.
one 200 bottle and one 300 bottle.
Yes. One complete 300 bottle in this I can put, and 200 milliliter more I will put in this, then only it will come to 500 milliliter.
Yes.
Yes. And the capacity of this big bottle, water Bisleri bottle, is 2 liters. 2 liters Suchi Mali is how many milliliters? 2 liter equals to how many milliliters Suchi Mali? What she is doing, I don't know.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, can I say?
No, Viva will give me. Viva. 2
Yes,
liters
ma'am.
equals to how many milliliters?
2000.
Very good. And if I say the capacity of this fortune oil is 5 liters, okay? This is the capacity of this is 5 liters. And if I want to pour and I want to fill this with the 1 liter water bottle, so how many 1 liters bottles I will put to make it 5 liters?
Five bottles.
Your voice is cracking.
Okay. Meantime, it will be correct.
Can you explain again?
As I was explaining, this is the 5 liter oil. Okay. And I want to fill this with the 1 liter bottle. So how many 1 liter bottles I will put to make it full?
5. 3. 5.
Jan Patel, kaise 3 bacha?
I don't say, I said 5.
Somebody told me 3.
Ma'am, David 7.
The capacity of this shampoo bottle is 250 milliliter. So how many these shampoo bottles will make 1 liter? Raise your virtual hand. Divit, how many these shampoo? Because the capacity of this bottle is 250 milliliter, and I want 1 liter shampoo. So how many such bottles will make the 1 liter?
Ma'am, 4.
Very good. Now I want to show you one video, students. Thank you, students, for giving me and sharing the information with me. Is this visible to you all, students?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
mute
Yes,
myself.
ma'am.
I'm going to mute myself. Please listen this video carefully.
Measurement of capacity. You know, measurements are used daily in our lives. You already know water, milk, oil are liquids because liquids do not have a definite shape or size and they take the shape of container. Like when the milk from a jar is poured into the glass, the milk takes the shape of the glass. Look at this glass and the jug. What do you think? Which one can hold more water? Obviously, the jug is bigger than the glass, so it can hold more water. You know, capacity describes how much a container can hold. So, you can also say the jug is bigger than the glass, so it has a greater capacity and it can hold more water. Same way, a bucket can hold more water than a jug. Suppose we can fill 12 buckets of water from this tank. Then the tank has a capacity of 12 buckets of water. Or with the water from a well, we can fill many tanks. That is, a well has a capacity to hold more than a tank. But how can we measure a fixed quantity of any liquid? Can we measure liquids like the solids in grams or kilograms using the weighing scale? No, because liquids flow easily and we cannot keep them on the weighing scale directly. Right, children? We have to use a container to hold them, and only after that we can measure them. So, instead of weighing them on machines, we use containers of some fixed capacity to measure the liquids like milk, water, oil, petrol, etc. You know, the standard unit of capacity is liter. There is a 1 liter container available to measure 1 liter of liquid like milk or water or oil. The short form of liter is LT. So we write 1 liter as 1 LT. When we go for an outing, we buy bottles of filtered water which are available in 1 liters, 2 liters and also in greater capacity. When we buy the pasteurized milk which comes in pouches, sometimes instead of 1 liter pouch, you get 2 pouches. And if you read what is written on the pouch, it will say 500 ml each. Does this mean that 2 pouches of 500 ml are equal to 1 liter? Right. A liter is divided into 1,000 equal parts. Each small part is called a milliliter, the short form of which is ml. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliter. At home, we ask the milkman to give a fixed quantity of milk, like 1 liter of milk, or 2 liters, or Half a liter. Half liter? What does half a liter mean? You know, 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. We now know 500 milliliter means 1 liter. That is 500 milliliter is half of 1 liter. Some people use the term half liter instead of 500 milliliter. How does a milkman measure milk? He uses 1 liter measuring container. He uses the measuring container of 1 liter. The milkman may also have a measuring container of 500 milliliter to measure the half a liter. The container used for measuring petrol or diesel is a little different and looks like this. You might have bought 100 milliliter or 50 milliliter shampoo bottle. We all like to drink cold drinks which come in 300 milliliter bottles. Right, children? So now you know 1 liter equal to 2 into 500 milliliter, which is 1000 milliliter.
Time to scout.
Make 1 liter. As 2 equal parts of 1 liter are there and each part is equal to 500 ml, smaller containers. 1 liter is equal to 5 into 200 ml, which is equal to 1000 ml. That is 5 times 200 ml is equal to 1 liter. As 5 equal parts of 1 liter are there and each part is equal to 200 ml, we can say 1/5 of a liter is 200 ml. Right, children? Same way, 1 liter is equal to 10 into 100 ml, which is 1000 ml. That is 10 times 100 ml is equal to 1 liter. As 10 equal parts of 1 liter are there and each part is equal to 100 ml, we can also say 1/10 of a liter is 100 ml. Understood? Now, if we need to find 1/4 of a liter, then it's simple. We divide 1000 milliliter by 4 to make 4 equal parts.
Now, who will tell me what is the 1/4 of 1 liter? 1000 milliliter. What is the 1/4 of 1000 milliliter? Who will tell me? Yes, Moksh.
Ma'am, 250.
Yes. 250.
Ma'am, your mic is off.
When 4 times you will add 250, 250, 500 plus 250, 750 plus 250, 1000. When 4 times you will add 250 ml, make the 1000 ml.
See, 1000 divided by 4 is 250 milliliters. So, 1 liter is equal to 4 times 250 milliliter, which is 1000 milliliters. We see 4 equal parts of 250 ml make 1000 milliliter or 1 liter. So 1/4 of a liter is 250 milliliter. Understood? Thus, the standard unit of capacity is liter, which is most commonly used. The other commonly used units are milliliter, where 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. And if we have to measure bigger capacity, then we use kiloliters. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters, which is used to measure the capacity of big tanks. By the way, our body has roughly 5 liters of blood, which means 5 times 1000 milliliter, which is 5000 milliliters. That is why some kind people donate little blood, that is 250 milliliter, to save someone else's life.
So I hope, children, it's clear to you about the topic of capacity. Yes. So what is your home task today? I will send you one Google Form activity also, and one more activity. You need to collect 5 wrappers like this of different things, five, and see their capacity. Take the wrappers, paste it in your notebook, see the capacity, and write it. It is given on your page number in your textbook also, page number 74. This type of activity we are going to do. Take the
Vihan, can you off your mic?
Vedant, please off.
Vihan.
So take the wrappers of different things and paste it in your notebook and write the capacity. What is written on that? Write the capacity near to it. Okay? Got it, students? This is your home task. I will put it in the classroom as well as you have one Google form also. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Sugata ma'am,
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.